Chris at MWC19 Barcelona, hands-on with the Yoga S940. So this is now powered with the new Whiskey Lake U processors, the Core i7 8265 and the i5 8265. It has 8 gigabytes of RAM and it claimed up to 15 hours, which I highly doubt there. Now the display of it is 14 inches. It's a 4K HDR display with Dolby Atmos speakers as well either side. Touchpad is nice and large. It's got glass covering on it and a typical Lenovo keyboard here, so very nice to type on, and there's virtually no keyboard flex with this one whatsoever. Now one thing that this brilliant display is missing, it is fully laminated, but it does not support touch, unfortunately. The webcam is unique for this model because they have what's called the inverted notch here at the top. So instead of putting the webcam down in the chin or having it like a pop-up one on the Mate X and the Mate X Pro, it's right up here in the actual notch, which also doubles as a handhold, and it can be opened up one-handed. And the edges of the screen have a very nice touch to them, so they have like 2.5D glass on the corner, so similar to cell phones, which gives it a very premium feel to it. The build's completely made out of metal with a grey finish to it. It does pick up fingerprints, as you can see here, especially when it's on display, and a little bit of flex on the top of the lid, but overall not too bad. An excellent build to it. And then for storage options, up to 1 terabyte of PCIe storage and up to 16 gigabytes of RAM. It's a very nice looking laptop. It does look very similar, I think, to the likes of Huawei's Mate X Pro. So that's my very quick hands-on there. Thank you so much for watching, and please do subscribe for more MWC coverage. Bye for now.